Where?
Cave man ka.
Okay.
Then I ispa o if tired.
Oo, dito na ka. Oy, kagwapa man ninyo eh.
Fresh na, kaligo na.
Forever.
Cave, naman daw sa front.
That's what I told Mama. Di na taka-appreciate. Where are we going, Faden?
Cave.
Where's the cave?
Papa,
Summer
but
here.
then, oh,
Like there.
The whole. Where? We're going to the cave, but we're not sure where's the location.
Not there.
Where? That one?
Yeah.
Lifeguard on duty. Yeah. So we'll pass that.
Yellow or yellow. Okay, go inside the cave. Then what kind of butterfly are you?
Mama, try. I'll try.
No jersey, skirt, and cotton.
Shower.
Faster.
No wee and skin no allowed if there's skin allergy. Smoking no. Don't touch stalactites, stalagmites. Cave pool open 10 a.m. close 10 p.m. Swimmers responsible safety.
For their safety,
For their
parents,
safety.
guardians,
No
or
lifeguard.
adult companions are responsible for the safety of the minors. Again, the parents, the guardians. However, there's no lifeguard on duty, but we'll try to get in there, although we will not take a bath, just to see the view. How beautiful is the cave. Do parehas siya sa kuan man, no? Kaban-kaban, no? Naidagkog kahoy dito.
Ito nag-ingon ta.
Thank you, Faden.
Wala itong nag-grade na.
Oo.
Pwede pa itong nag-story, wala.
Yeah. Careful, ah. What's your step? Oh, we're going to the cave of Bantayan Island Nature Park and Resort. Here we go. Come here. Come here, come here, come here.
Everybody get you.
Slowly, huh? We'll just picture her. Careful, ha?
Gagmay naman.
Gamay na.
Ipag sa itong sabol ko ya.
Oh, mas dako dito.
Stalactites, stalagmites.
Mas daghan dyan dito. Yan to siya, Medi. Picture the picture.
They're not also close.
Salvavida.
This way, you know?
Stay here, Mila.
I really love to.
Huh? Why? Pardon?
Pwede ka no? If you don't know how to swim, no?
Salvavida?
Hindi ka man malayo. Higot.
Unsa ganito atong sa Tagbilaran no? Gato na to. Okay. Bohol. So, we'll go up na? Okay. Just follow me, I'll go ahead. We're going out. Pula ilakwan na, ilalait. Dili puti. We're going out of the cave of Bantayan Island Nature Park Resort. Nature Park and Resort. Nice ang sa gawas sa. Bye-bye. Terima kasih kawan-kawan. Terima kasih teman-teman. Jangan lupa subscribe dan share.